Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Erik, and here with the investment channel. Guys, it's been about what, 2 weeks since I last posted a video, and a lot has changed. Well, not a lot, but some have changed. So I have sold one of my HELIUM miners. I had 6, if you guys remember. Now I only have 5. And to be honest, I'm thinking about selling the last one, and they were used. So a lot of people do, for some reason, people think that once somebody has a HELIUM miner, they really can't sell it to somebody else. But it's so easy. All I gotta do is transfer it to your wallet, okay? And then my hotspot will automatically connect to your wallet, okay? So it's pretty simple, and that's what I did past week. So I have sold one, and I'm thinking about selling the other one just because the last one that I have, that I'm thinking about selling, is really not making anything because it's not seeing anybody. And yes, I could go ahead and put a pole up there, and get a new antenna and all that good stuff. But one, that's a lot of work, and two, it's not my house, so I just don't want to go in and put a pole up there with like somebody else's. And you might think, oh, why not just put it in the attic? Well, that house is literally, it's one floor basically, so it's not gonna get any better if I put it in the attic. But with that, before we actually go in to actually show you how much I'll be making after the halving, which it might be a surprise to you guys, but I just want to thank today's sponsor, Noble IoT, which I'm going to tell you guys more about it in a quick second. If we look at the map right now, we could see that now I have an extra witness that just popped up right here near my one of my hotspots, which is great because to be honest, I haven't really noticed any. Well, HELIUM price has gone up, but I really haven't noticed anything with any like differences in earnings, to be honest. And I might even go an extra mile and say that's probably better now. But I'm gonna show you right now here. Let's go and see what's my mining rewards. Okay, so let's see in the past 14 days. Okay, so we could see here that I average anywhere between, the lowest was like $1.60 something, and then in the past couple of days I've been averaging like a day $16, and just recently today, as of today, another $22, and that's gonna change. So you can see that I only have $90. Maybe asking, why do I only have $90? Guys, I actually cashed out. So if I go back here to let me see if I can show you everything. So activities, you can see 2 things right here. It's the transfer of the hotspot when I sold it. Like I said, it's so easy. All I gotta do is transfer my hotspot to your wallet, and you're gonna have it. And if you're buying it used from somebody as well, one, it gotta be somebody like trustful. You have to, because you have to basically, trust that they will do the transfer. And also, whoever is buying, you gotta make sure that the person who's buying will actually like pay for it and not just keep the hotspot in their wallet, because otherwise, it's not good for me, it's not good for you, because I'm not gonna plug it in if you don't pay it, and then it's stuck in your wallet. It doesn't make any sense. But let's go back here real quick so I can show you that I actually sold right there. So I sold about 10 days ago. It says $424. That's capped for me, because when I actually sold it, it was only for about like $300 and something, which is the reason why, guys, if you're gonna be mining this, most likely you want to just hold it. But what I did, I bought more Ethereum, and Ethereum has gone up as well, so that's really good. And let me see, it was only, but if I can change it, it was about 23 HNTs, which is kind of cool. And as of right now, I have mine, since I did transfer almost 5 HNTs, which is really good. I'm not planning on selling as of right now. It's pretty cool right now, but if I end up selling, again, it's only going to be for Ethereum, because as you guys know, I mine Ethereum with my rig right there, 13 RTX 3070, and they are making right now right about $2,000 a month, with Ethereum being up so much, and also with even after the EIP 1559, still doing pretty decently. And to be honest, I'm actually in the market right now looking for another card. Hopefully I can get a 3080. Now there's the new news that came out today, I think with the NB miner, that now LHR cards are basically mining up to 70% of the speed, let's say, of the identical non-LHR card. What I'm thinking is we're gonna see prices going up for these cars as well. So that's off topic, but you know, it has to do with mining, so I have to bring that up to you guys. If I go on eBay right now, we can see that the Bobcat miners are actually selling for about $1,700, which is a lot of money, which is it's a perfect segue to today's sponsors, which is Noble IoT. So what do? This company will send you a Bobcat miner or HELIUM miner. It doesn't have to be Bobcat, it could be just, you know, any other one as long as it mines. Now what they do, they'll give you for free, and you can host it for them. They'll give you 20% of the cut now of the earnings. The thing is, yes, you might say only 20%, but you're not really paying this money, and then all you got to do is just plug it in on your Wi-Fi if you don't have a miner already, and then just get some passive income, you know, which is pretty cool. Now they did give me a affiliate link, like a referral link, which I do get paid a little bit. It's nothing crazy, but if you do guys want to actually do the application, because you have to put in an application, it's not going to give it to anybody. You have to be approved. So if you want to do it, it's I'm going to leave the link in my description. It's pretty simple. A few questions, and as you can see here, things like first name, last name, email, address, you know, what floor would you be placing your hotspot, things like that. They want to make sure it's worth it, either for you and as well for them. And here on the bottom you can see who referred you. It's me. And the cool thing about it, as long as you guys go ahead and follow them on Instagram and on Facebook, I'm going to show you right now. So all you got to do is follow them on social media. Okay, so Instagram and Facebook, and also you're going to have to like the Instagram post, and you're going to have to tag 3 friends on the comment section. Okay, if you do want to get an extra entry, you're going to have to go ahead and repost this on your story. I feel like it's a pretty cool thing, you know. You get a free miner, and as well, if you do not want to pay the crazy prices right now, which is $1,700 average for a new Bobcat miner, then you could get 20% of the cut without actually paying anything. So I like it, and thank you so much, Noble IoT for Noble IoT for sponsoring this video. And let's go back to the regular programming. Okay, so if I can show you guys here, I'm going to show you. Also, if you see here, I have basically sold 4 of them, 4 hotspots right now for an average of a little bit over $2,500 a piece. And the thing is, I did not set up the price. Basically, I just let people bid on them, and because the market is crazy. So right now, which I'm not really worried about, like how much money I'm making with the hotspots, because I'm technically already broken even. But what I was telling you guys about selling the other one is because it's literally not doing me any good. It doesn't see any other hotspots. It's really not making anything. Even the challenges, it's not really worth it. So I believe what I'm going to be doing now, I'm probably just going to sell the hotspot, and if HELIUM prices comes down, I'm going to use that same money, the same amount of money, and probably just buy HNT. Because, you know, we can definitely see that there's a lot of potential, and especially with the halving now, we could probably see even higher prices than we were at before. And I don't think that we're in a bear market, to be honest, right now in crypto. Everything is going up right now. It may come down just a little bit, but I feel it's gonna pick up again. But that's what I think is gonna happen. Don't quote me on that, because, you know, at the end of the day, it's just an opinion. It may go up, it may come down. If you guys can see here, this one right here is this was the one actually sold. Okay, so it's not there anymore. Not sure why it hasn't been updated, because it has been, like I said, a few days now since I last sold it. Now we can see this one. This is the one that I'm thinking about now selling, even though it's not relayed. You know, it doesn't see this one right there. I don't know why, but it just doesn't make any sense for me to be honest to keep it. I'm just gonna put it on eBay. That's pretty much it with the update. So I had 6 hotspots. I trimmed it down to 5, most likely going back to 4, just because I only want to keep the most profitable ones, and especially now that I can sell it for a premium, which is really good. I don't really have to you know, take a loss on the devices. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and look over at the link that I inserted below, which is Noble IoT. Maybe if you don't have a hotspot right now, you can maybe start leasing one from them, and then get paid the 20% stake of the earnings. So that's a pretty good thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like it, go ahead and please subscribe, like it, and let me know what you think. All right, see you next time. Bye.